Yo, you already know who it is. It's your boy Dan. Back here with another video. Excuse me. Back here with another video. We gonna watch some of the most disturbing moments caught on doorbell camera. Now this like 50 minutes, so we just gonna play like a little bit of this. But make sure y'all like and comment, subscribe, man. Show your boy some love, man. You know what I'm saying? You already know, but let's get right into it.
The doorbell footage with the man and woman.
Be careful, please. You're full, please. Mama.
Because guess what? Cops come through, they'll me. Taking the arm on the wrong.
Get off the floor! Now, I'm told.
God damn.
A guy and a woman were caught attempting to break into this house. Fortunately, the neighbors prevented them from entering the house. The doorbell footage with the man and woman is displayed on the video. The man plans to break into the residence with the help of his pregnant girlfriend.
Bro, first of all, bro, why would you do a robbery with your pregnant girlfriend, bro? And then, bro, it's 2023, bro. Like, everybody got cameras nowadays, bro, in these neighborhoods, bro. You don't even got a mask on. You discussing the robbery outside. Usually people do that. Usually people talk about how they gonna rob somebody, you know what I'm saying, or rob a place at home, bro. Doing this shit outside and shit, like, bro. Niggas like that need to go to jail. For real. Seem like the nigga don't even know. He don't even know how to do this shit, man.
The resident sees this on the camera and requests the neighbor to check out the situation. When the neighbor confronts them, they begin to back away and explain how they know the residents.
Bro, what the fuck, bro? This shit the most stupidest shit I've ever seen, man.
Hey, what y'all doing back there?
Nah, that's our people too.
How is it y'all people y'all leaving?
Man, I did be your own people. Shit, I did. Yeah, man, they done. They cooked.
to call the laws on you? Okay, who stay here?
Evidently, they didn't think about the possibility of being on camera. They eventually left and were not seen again. This doorbell camera caught a crazed man disturbing
Stupid.
his just relocated neighbor. Around 2 months had passed since this new tenant moved in, yet the man who lived downstairs had been persistently hammering on the door. This repeated several times each day. The woman who lived there refused to open the door since she was either alone or out. The weird man would casually interrogate her about unknown people.
Damn, what the fuck wrong with him, bro? That nigga having a fucking tantrum, bro. What the hell, bro? Cuz having a whole tantrum. Man, bro. I bet you if it was a nigga in that bitch, bro, he wouldn't be banging on that shit.
When she did open the door. He arrived one morning at 4 a.m. and began kicking the door when he didn't receive a response. Finally, the woman gave in and dialed 911. Thankfully, the police finally responded to the report and arrested the man. He must be out of prison by now, so you must take immediate action against this guy if you see him on.
Damn, what the fuck wrong with dude? Shit, I don't understand it, bro.
On your door. This woman in San Diego, California, was caught in a doorbell footage acting crazy and disturbing the residents. She comes into the frame boldly and knocks on the door. She breaks into the property and continues to take the package that was owned by the homeowners.
That's right, you know me. Straight out, no, yes. Straight, I'm finna break this. You got a package up front. Bitch, I'm gonna open this shit right now. Bitch, you know what's going on. You know what's going on. I swear to God, internet stuff. Mama, you know what she say out. Bitch, swear to God, like, it's coming internet stuff.
What the fuck going on?
To leave a message. You can do it now.
She tears open the package placed on the doorstep after grabbing it.
Damn.
She then takes the sign at the door and throws it away in the distance.
Fine. I swear to God, Angel Ramirez, please leave me alone. I swear to God. Boy, oh my God, you're so Petty. Swear to God, the major weird about the same talking. Like Shannon. Swear to God, they can. No. Come on, huh? What
The fuck?
Second eye shot. Swear to God, what is this shit?
Yo, what's going on, bro? Like, she just came, banged on the door, throw a cup of shit, and took the package. Like, what the fuck? What for, bro? What's going on with her, man?
The
I don't know
camera
what's going
captures her
on.
taking the stuff out of this parcel and leaving the residence. An unsettling woman is seen outside a home late at night, as captured by the doorbell camera. She either appears to be in need of assistance or is manipulating the residents. The woman who lives there converses with her while keeping the door shut.
Who is it?
The weird woman outside simply introduces herself as the teacher's daughter and states that she has to use the restroom.
Who is it?
Because I'm trying to use the bathroom. I'm the teacher's daughter.
But the day before, she was seen attempting to open the door on the doorbell camera. Fortunately, she was unable to. Therefore, she joined her male friend in walking away.
What is she doing, bro?
What were her real intentions? Did she really just want to use the bathroom?
Nigga, hell no. She
A
was trying to
doorbell
rob
camera
her.
recorded this.
Nah, bro, that was the attempt robbery, bro. Like, the nigga right there, ready to, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on, bro. Like, it's a robbery, bro.
Video. It captured a dreadful woman attempting to force her way into the tenant's apartment. She uses force to break down the door, even though there still are people inside the apartment.
Damn. What the fuck going on?
She tries to smash the camera to stop it from recording and continues to slam the door.
God damn.
She is being yelled at to stop by the woman residing in the apartment, but she begins to act out and fight back.
Bro, this some crazy ass shit, bro. She just banging with the broom and shit like that, bro. Like, god damn.
She succeeds in removing the doorbell camera.
Oh damn. Oh, she got the camera off.
She was still being filmed by the stolen camera and can be seen backing away in a hurry. This doorbell video was recorded in Oklahoma City. The dog inside the home barks furiously, appearing to be alert to the weird, strange man outside. The man first makes an unsuccessful attempt to enter through the back entrance. Then, he decides to alter his plan and enter through the front entrance. He does so right away and with success.
What you got going on, man? Whoa.
He quickly runs through the home gathering the valuables items. He quickly exits through the back door and dashes into the waiting vehicle as soon as he hears someone.
What the fuck?
The car was described to be a red Malibu with a paper tag and an unidentified female driver. 3 men were spotted in the doorbell footage of this residence. Given that it is late at night, they make every effort to appear sly while wearing matching sweatshirts. 2 of them pick the third one in such a way that he reaches over.
Yeah, bro, they cooked. All they face in the camera, all types of shit, man. Bro, they on some fucking Tom Clancy shit. God damn, bro, they trying to get in the motherfucking apartment. God damn.
Over and grabs the flag. They did not harm anyone but managed to steal the flag. Fortunately, they left afterward. Through the doorbell camera, a suspicious individual was noticed outside a residence. Your amazement at what he demands from the resident is guaranteed. He acts naive and appears to be unable to speak English when the woman inside the house asks him if he needs anything.
Hello? How may I help you?
Sorry, good night,
He continues by requesting permission to use the restroom in his shaky English. Obviously disagreeing with him, the woman says she will call the police.
Can I use the bathroom? No.
No. I'm getting ready to call.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you.
Hell yeah, she got right to it. She already know what was going on. Hell yeah. You ain't getting shit, buddy.
Thank you. Es que comprende, no speak English, Spanish. Yes.
We're going to call the police so they can come check the building.
No problem, no police, no, thank you.
The odd man tells her that he is from Nicaragua and that he will be fine while continuing to seem innocent.
Can I use the bathroom? I am from Nicaragua. Can I use the bathroom? ¿Puedo usar el baño?
Bro, like, if you a nigga, bro, and if you ask him, go to a random person else and ask him, motherfucker, can you use their bathroom, bro? That's an automatically setup, bro. As a nigga, bro, like, nigga, I remember we be walking home at nights, bro. We ain't never went up to no houses and asked nobody, hey, yo, can we use the restroom? No, motherfuckers piss on the curb, nigga piss in the woods, nigga, like, nigga, you know what I'm saying? In the street, like, you know what I'm saying, bro? Like, that little, he gonna hit her with, can I use the restroom? Like, hell no. Nigga, you about to piss on one of these woods, on one of these fences, nigga, on one of these sidewalks, bro. Fuck you mean?
No problem, no police. Let's go, come on. Good night. Sorry. No problem.
He eventually bids her farewell and leaves. This doorbell footage shows a strange girl standing outside a house in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Oh shit, this is Vegas.
It's late at night and she does not do anything but attempt to look inside the windows and the door. Earlier that night she came before, but again, she did not do anything. Instead, she just tried to look inside the windows. She seems to be hesitating, and it is unclear what she is up to. A mysterious girl can be seen standing outside a home in Las Vegas, Nevada in this doorbell video.
Wow.
She only makes an effort to look inside the door and windows despite the fact that it is late at night. She had previously arrived that evening, but again she did nothing but attempt to look through the windows. It's unclear what she is doing because she appears to be hesitant. This doorbell video shows 2 weird...
Ain't no way. Oh no, bro. I don't think that girl was trying to rob, bro. Like, what the fuck this girl was gonna do? Like, she had her purse, got the thing, you know what I mean?
Weird women approaching a home's door. They appeared to be looking for their lost laptop. The woman in the back is especially untrustworthy because it appears like she is hiding something in her waistband. The resident finally asks them through the camera after patiently awaiting their request. He learns from the woman that her laptop was in his home, according to an app on her phone.
Hello?
Hi, yes, my laptop is here. Can I please retrieve that?
Your laptop is here?
Yeah.
She's trying to rob his ass on everything.
Explains that he doesn't even know her and sounds confused.
I don't even know you.
Yeah, I know. Well, I just did a find my phone thing, and it's apparently here at this residence.
I have no idea how it would be here. I'm sorry.
He's being accused of stealing and lying by the woman. She continues to act stubborn until the man tells her that he will call the cops.
I don't know how it would be here. I don't even know you.
Okay. No, I know that. That's what people do who steal. But if you want me to...
I don't know. I have no idea. I don't have a laptop. I'm going to go ahead and call the police right now then.
Yeah.
God damn.
Okay. Thanks. She has it.
The woman finally backs off a bit. Eventually, she leaves without creating more disturbance.
Bro, they stupid, bro. What the fuck? I wonder what the fuck these people was thinking. They thought it was a good idea to make up with that bullshit. Hell no, you gotta come harder than that.
Doorbell video shows a hilariously wild woman in action. She approaches the vehicle and asks what is going on. She keeps saying the same thing even though the question did not make any sense. She then abruptly extends her hand as though she were attempting to open the car's door.
What's going on over here? What is going on over here? What is going on over here? Okay? You have my people in here? Okay? What is going on over here?
The sudden encounter is unclear, and the resident seemed confused. She asks the same question as she slowly approaches the front door.
Okay, I don't fucking want no police. Yeah? You know who I am? You know who I am?
What the fuck she doing? What the fuck? She definitely on crack. She most definitely on crack. I don't know what the hell she talking about.
Dang. For what? You know who I am? You know who I am? You know who I am?
Hey, what happened? What happened? It's in my house.
You know who I am? What's going on out here?
Despite the fact that nothing had occurred, it appears that she is irritated with the resident. This wicked woman was caught on a doorbell video, breaking into a house and stealing the resident's grandson's toy car.
Bro, these people are weird, bro. Weird as fuck.
The resident lets his dog loose on the woman in an attempt to frighten her, but she shows no signs of fear. Instead, she makes an effort to pet and cuddle the dog.
I ain't gonna lie, if that was my dog went and attack like a motherfucker. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Hell nah, my dog would not be this friendly. I'm trying to tell you. The dog friendly as hell. Friendly as hell, bro.
The resident approaches the gate from the outside and waits for her to step inside so he may catch her and file a trespassing report against her. The man assures her that he will contact the police as they come face to face.
But what is she doing, bro? She look old as fuck. Like, what the fuck? This gotta be some crazy ass shit, bro. Yeah, he just looking.
Calling the police.
I'm so sorry.
I'm calling the police.
I came here to take a picture of this truck.
What do you want of it?
I'm sorry?
What do you want of it?
I took a picture of the truck. And I was paying it back, and I have a key. And I'm trying to find it.
I don't care. You don't have to get in my home.
In an attempt to appear innocent, the woman apologizes and frames the incident by explaining that she simply wanted to take a photo. This doorbell footage captures a creepy woman
Man, bro, this shit crazy, man. Let me know what y'all think in this. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, man. These people are weird, man. Weird as fuck, man. But let me know what y'all think, man. Please like and subscribe, man. You already know who it is. I'm out.